Alright, so we are going to animate this character walking. So first thing what we will do is I will make sure that these objects are inside. Okay, so this object will be half in the front and this object will be half in the back. So this much will be our stride and we will start with stride. Okay, we will use the auto key and we will use 10 frames each for each step. So we'll go to frame number 10, select this one, and it is going to move in the front. Okay, so now what you have is your character sliding his leg, its leg in the front, while so we have animated one foot from 0 to 10, whereas the other foot has stayed put. So we will have to click on the set key button, and when you click on the set key button, you will see that there are multiple colors, but here we only got one color. So it is a good idea to just set key on all the frames. So we will do a set key on 0. So this has two keys but it has not moved anywhere, and this has two keys and it has taken one step. Okay, so it is important that you create keys for each frame for both the objects. Now it's not necessary to key this one, but because we are focusing on animating these two legs, they should have keys at consistent frames so that there is no mistake in the future. Okay, so for example, if you move this one now in the front, okay, again there's only key created in one axis. There is no rotation key, there is no scale key. So once you click on it, you get key for all of these, and then there's no key here, so you'll just put a set key there. Okay, so this is the first step, this is the second step, and now we'll take the third step. Again set key, select the other one, and again hit the set key. Okay, so we have one step, two step, and three steps. Okay, then what we want to do is when the character is moving, we can go to the motion and go to motion path, and you can see that this one, it has moved from here to here. So at 5 we will move it up. Okay, and then we will move it up this much distance so we can be consistent, and you can set key there. So the character is lifting the leg now. So at 15 this one will be moving up, and at 25 this one will be moving up. Okay, so we didn't do a set key, and then if you go to 15 also we'll do a set key. So this character, this is the step, so it takes one step, no step. I made a mistake, this key is incorrect. We want one key here at 25. Okay, set key. So one key, one step, no step, one step. and this one is exactly the opposite. No step, one step, no step. Okay, so now our character is taking a step. Now what else you can do is you can add a rotation. If you want the character to, when the leg is rotated, it goes up, and because the auto key is set, it will automatically animate. Okay, and then this one will rotate up also, and then you can be precise with your rotation, so it is -20, and then the other one can be -20 as well, so it doesn't look odd. -20. Okay. Now in the next class we are going to look at how to add texture map to the character and how to make the character look on this side and then blink.